In this section, we will learn how to create bus stops and bus lines in TESS NG, bind them to public transport vehicles, and configure bus lanes and public transport evaluation data. Click the Bus Stop tool on the link where a new bus stop is to be created. Right-click and drag to set the stop length. Then release to open the Bus Stop Edit window. In this window, you can set the stop ID non-modifiable, stop length, stop name, and select the stop type. Curbside bus stop or bus bay, and then click OK. Then double-click to open the Bus Stop Editor window again. You can choose the stop type to bus bay. Note: both curbside and bus bay stops can be created on any lane, generally on the outermost lane. The length of a newly created stop should generally exceed 20 meters, otherwise, buses cannot enter. If multiple buses can stop simultaneously, all arriving vehicles will stop only once. After editing the stops, they are not yet attached to any bus line. Bus lines must be further created. Select the Bus Line toolbar and generate bus lines by right-clicking the links sequentially with the mouse. And then we double-clicking a line to open the Bus Line Editor window. Here we can see the line ID, line name, line length, and we can set the departure interval, departure start time, departure end time, departure passenger, desired speed standard deviation, and in the stop information panel you click Select All. And then you can see all the bus stops in the bus line are selected. Then we click OK. We will learn how to create bus stops and bus lines in TESS NG. The shortest route between them will be selected as the bus line. Multiple bus lines can be established on the same link. If you want to remove stops, you can click the stop ID and then click Delete. And you can see the removed stops are displayed in gray. And then we click Select All, the bus stops are selected again. Double-click the bus stop directly without activating the Bus Stop toolbar to open the Stop Edit window. And edit the lines passing through the stop and passenger information. In the window, you can view and edit the relevant lines passing through the stop. You can add or delete time intervals and specify the number of arriving passengers. And you can configure boarding and alighting information, basic stop time, getting off percentage, getting on, and getting off time. On the link where a bus lane is needed, you can right-click to open the link properties and set the designated lane as a bus lane to allow priority access for public transport vehicles. Click OK. Click Start Simulation. We can see here the gray lines are bus lanes. Only buses can travel on this lane. We will change the bus lane to motor Z lane. And then you can see the difference between them. You can see here, all of the vehicles can drive on this land. On the bus lane, only bus can travel on this lane. After the simulation, select Simulation Output Public Transport Results. From the menu bar to choose Public Transport Result Files for evaluation or comparison. Select File, and we can choose a file from the SIMU result file. In the pop-up Public Transport Results window, you can select bus line. And if you want to delete them, you can click the sequence name or data item name from the project contents and then click Delete. And you can click Auto Select. All bus lines are be selected. And then click Chart. You can see the total number of passengers of all bus lines. And you can choose the evaluation metrics to visualize, including total number of passengers, average travel time, average number of stops, average stop time, average dwell time at stop, average section stop time, passenger average total stop time, passenger average section stop time, passenger average dwell time at stop. It also can select to rotate the horizontal axis label. You can click Save to save the image. In addition, the raw simulation output data is stored in the SimUrsult folder, while graphical outputs and original plotting data tables can be viewed in the chart folder, facilitating in-depth post-processing analysis. In this way, we have completed the setup of bus stops, bus lines, bus lanes, the binding of bus lines to vehicles, and can obtain public transport evaluation data. Switch to 3D view.